Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Dahi Onion. To begin, gather your fresh ingredients, including thick, chilled yogurt and a medium-sized onion. You'll also need a few common spices like roasted cumin powder, red chili powder, and a pinch of salt. Make sure your yogurt is well chilled for the best texture and flavor. Preparing these items first ensures a smooth and enjoyable cooking process for this delightful side dish. Next, let's prepare the onions to reduce their pungency and enhance their crispness. Place your thinly sliced onions into a bowl of cold water and let them soak for about 10 minutes. This step is crucial for a milder flavor. After soaking, drain the onions completely and gently squeeze out any excess water. This ensures they remain crisp when mixed with the yogurt. Now it's time to bring everything together. In a mixing bowl, whisk your chilled yogurt until it's smooth and creamy without any lumps. Then add your prepared, crisp onions to the yogurt. Sprinkle in your chosen spices, such as roasted cumin powder, a dash of red chili powder, and salt to taste. Gently fold all the ingredients together until they are well combined, ensuring the onions are evenly coated. Your Dahi onion is almost ready to enjoy. Once mixed, cover and chill it for at least 30 minutes to allow the flavors to meld beautifully. Before serving, you can garnish with fresh cilantro or a light sprinkle of red chili powder for an extra kick. This simple yet flavorful dish is perfect as a side with any meal. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your home tech, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.